Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cleaning the edge thoroughly so paint adheres. Use isopropyl or a dedicated leather prep and let it dry. Then lightly sand the edge with 300-400 grit to create tooth and smooth any burrs. Once done, load a fine brush or edge roller and lay down an even, thin first coat of edge paint along the edge. Press paint into the profile rather than piling it on so you avoid runs and get a uniform base. You now focus on layering. Apply 3 to 6 thin coats, allowing 5 to 15 minutes of drying time between each, which prevents cracking and builds a durable edge. Make sure to sand very lightly between coats with 600-1000 grit to remove nibs and level the finish. This also improves adhesion for subsequent layers. Once layers are sufficient, burnish the edge with a slicker or canvas and moderate pressure to compress the paint. You finish by applying a final sealer or a thin layer of wax to add water resistance and uniform shine. Buff lightly to desired gloss. Inspect the edge for stray fibers and thin spots and touch up those areas with thin, careful passes rather than heavy coats. If you encounter cracking or flaking, stop. Sand the affected area smooth, reapply several very thin coats, and allow longer dry times between layers to let the paint fully cure and adhere properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.